In the world of extreme vehicle modifications, few things are as jaw-dropping as the conversion of helicopters into luxurious recreational vehicles. One such transformation begins by decommissioning the helicopter, carefully dismantling its rotor blades and engine components. The fuselage becomes a canvas for innovation, as craftsmen transform it into a lavish living space complete with plush seating, a modern kitchenette, and even a compact bathroom. This airborne machine reimagined for the road features panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views, merging the thrill of flight with the comforts of a high-end RV. The result is a breathtaking hybrid, showcasing the pinnacle of creativity and luxury in vehicle transformation.